Hi everyone, it's Rita from Australia, and this is my third Philosophy video. So here we go. And first of all, I want to say that that this month, July, was quite busy for me. I was trying to stitch as much as I can, but I think it wasn't enough. it wasn't enough, but anyway, I want to show you something that I have done, and first of all, I want to show you my Christmas decorations. So I think it will be easier like this way. So what can I say about this? Like it is a masterpiece. I'm so proud of myself. So these birds, they are from original Dimensions kit. Forest birds ornaments, I think. Yeah. The kit was very old. I think from 1991. Yes, but anyway, these birds, they look so beautiful and colorful, and they're quite nice. And so the wooden base I have bought from AliExpress, and also these red berries, they also from AliExpress. And so all together, decorations look fantastic, so colorful and so Christmassy. So Christmassy. Yes, I do love this piece so much. I truly believe that these decorations will be in our home for every Christmas. Yes, definitely. And also in July I have found a new kit for me. Also Christmas and also birds. This is a Christmas skirt with birds and red berries, and I believe that all together they will look very nice. So this kit, so inside this kit there is 11 count Aida, a good piece of Aida, and so many floors. It should be very nice. It should be very nice. And also about Christmas, my new chart. It's also a Dimensions chart and charms, and this one is a Christmas stocking, and it's called Santa Face stocking, Saint Nicholas. Very nice. And I also love the charts from here. It's a red bow and these lights. They're fantastic. I have never done any Christmas stockings yet, but I have a few. And here is one more Christmas stocking. Yeah. But definitely I don't have enough time for everything what I've got. So it was number one. Then also in July I have finished a small kit. So this kit, it's also Dimensions, and it's Daydreams by Dimensions. So this kit is quite small, like this small square with the gardener, and in kit is also included glass mat with flowers and garden, and like everything finish this work like this. And so let me show you masterpiece number 2. So at the end, this picture looks very nice. I can't say that it's beautiful. No, it's nice, and but this small piece was very, very complicated, so challenging. I have done so many mistakes in this small square. And as you can see, there are a few French knots, not a few, a lot, a lot French knots, back stitch, half stitches, and cross. It looks quite okay. I can't say that I do love this picture so much. It's not my style. There's here is a pretty girl with a lot of flowers. It's not about me. Maybe it will be a present for my mom. I will think about it later. After my previous video, I decided to count all my whips, and altogether it is 15 for today. Yes, and so I'm trying to finish one, and I'm talking about a needle workshop by Jen-Lin. In this month, this whip has happy birthday. It's 1 year old, and I still can't finish it. So embarrassing. And let me show you. I'm almost there. So I need to finish only this window, all cross stitches and also back stitch, and that's it. Hopefully I will finish this kit this month. It will be like a great goal for me. 1 year. I will remember it for ages. It was the whip number 1 in July, and also I have started a few more. Like, good job, Rita, well done. 1 more whip. And so let me show you Santa. So this one, it's an original kit by Dimensions, and it's called Spirit of Santa's Ornaments. At the end it should be like this, so you can see 6 ornaments with Santas. And here is the first one. So this whip, maybe nowadays, this whip is the most favorite of all. I don't know why, but there is a lot of red color and green. I will show you the floss. So bright and so colorful, and like a huge amount of floss. It looks like this. It looks like this. I hope to finish these ornaments as soon as I can, and definitely they will be on our Christmas tree this Christmas. What can I say about the design? So it's definitely very colorful, and these ornaments are not very difficult. So here we have only cross stitches with back stitch, and also I think French knots. So there is no half stitches and there is no Cordinco coaching, like nothing. So I can say that this design is not very complicated and it's not very challenging, so it's quite okay. Maybe that's why I do love this Santa so much. And also my older daughter Diana, she is so scared of Santas, like every Christmas when we tried to make a photo with Santa, it's every single time a lot of tears, like, oh my goodness, Diana, he's a good one, he will give you a present. No, the most scariest person of all on the entire world. But maybe one day it will be okay and she will love this ornament as I do. So it was the whip number 2, Santas. Whip number 3. Whip number 3, it's a chart from Bocilla, a very old one. It calls Spirit Woman. So, but I call her Gypsy Warrior Enchanter. Gypsy Warrior Enchanter. Very beautiful woman, like spirit, definitely. She's fantastic. And let me show you. Let's do let's do this way. Yes, here. So here you can see her arm. So this is her dress, and also the arm. Dress and arm. And let me show you, this is my first petite. I've done it for the first time. So all her skin, her arms and face and also neck, everything will be in petite. So I stitch this beautiful woman on a 28 count natural lining by DMC. Fantastic. But I want to say that I have done a mistake with with backstitch in her dress, because this original chart was like very old, and I can't tell you exactly about the backstitch, about the colors in backstitch, because so the chart, but 1 second. So this backstitch, so it's here, and it's very hard to find the right color, and I think I've done a mistake. Forget about backstitch for now, and I won't make some more here and maybe here and like everywhere. And after that, when all this cross stitch will be done, I will do backstitch and hopefully it will be easier, but I'm not sure. So everything was absolutely fine, and this backstitch is like the first mistake, and enthusiasm not the same as it was. And so, but anyway, I should finish this piece, this beautiful spirit woman. She's gorgeous, she's like full of spirit. Gypsy Warrior Enchanter. It were all whips that I've done in July, and And so August. Hello August. Hello all my 15 whips. Like I have a whip for every occasion and for every mood that that I have. But anyway, so right now I'm stitching the needle workshop by Jinlin. I hope to finish it maybe this week, and it will be like, it will be fantastic. I'm stitching Santas, and I'm stitching Butzilla Gypsy, Spirit Woman, and and if it will be not enough for me, I will continue maybe one more. I will continue maybe Dragon by DMC Charts and Charms, or maybe A Beautiful Bird by Teresa Vensler. I'm not sure, but first of all, needle workshop. And hopefully in next Fellowship video I will show you like the finish. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you love it. And so right now I will show you a small video about Australia and about me and my family, and I also hope that you will love it too. And see you next videos. Bye.